Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can send payments using a Brex account. So let's get started. If you want to pay vendors, contractors, or transfer money from your Brex account, the process is simple and can be done directly from your dashboard. First, log into your Brex account using your browser. Once you're inside, go to the Cash or Accounts section where your balance is shown. Now, click on Send or Transfer to start a new payment. You'll be asked to choose a recipient. If you've already added a payee, just select them from your saved list. If not, click on Add Recipient and enter their details, like name, bank account number, routing number, and account type. After adding the recipient, choose the payment method. In most cases, you'll use ACH transfer for domestic payments, which is usually free and takes around 1 to 3 business days. If available, you can also choose wire transfer for faster delivery. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add a note if needed for your records. Now review all the details carefully, including recipient information and amount. Once everything looks correct, click on Confirm or Send to complete the payment. After that, your payment will be processed and you can track its status from the Activity or Transaction section in your Brex dashboard. And that's it. That's how you can send payments using Brex step by step. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.